Hello, this is Indira with Green Pear Leather Goods. I'm just showing you here this improvement that you guys can see here. Well, I just have all these. I still have more products to come and organize in here. So this is after organizing. So over there inside I have like the storage, and I do have these now here, so I still need to organize more, but yeah, so this right here is already empty. So I do have these. It's just getting darker now, and yeah, so this is how it looks in here. So yeah, so I'm just gonna turn this off, and this is how it is looking now. So we came and clean. So this is looking a lot organized, and I just have some containers here to put more things in there, like clips or thread, things like that. So I do have that, and how you guys can see, I already picked up all the boxes that were here. So I have that one, that's sewing machine, and right here, yes, it's looking a little bit darker already here. But yeah, so this is, I organized this here. I do have these that I, like some things that I don't need anymore, so they're gonna go to the trash. And yeah, so I have the sewing machines in here too. So I do have those, where I'm gonna organize like thread and small things. And right here, yeah, so yeah, I just don't see this a lot. It's just the light is not getting. Yeah, so it's not, it's kind of dark in here. I thought I would have some more light, but I don't see more. But yeah, so this is looking cleaner now too. So yeah, you cannot really, well, maybe you can see. Well, yeah, we just cleaned this in here, and I just have this stand. I have all the materials in there. I have the padding that I use, and so yeah, I think this needs to be plugged to work, I think. So oh yeah, there you go. Yeah, so yeah, so this is where you can see a lot better in here. So I do have these organized. They're already cut in here, and yeah, so I do have that, my cutting boards. Yeah, so this is already ready to sew. And yeah, so I just have more, so I already organized them in there. So how I was showing you before, I do have that in there. Well, this is just anything that is getting ready to sew. So yeah, so I have that in there. And yeah, so this is just the sewing machine in here. I have that one right here, and that will be needed to be for cutting. I think I'm gonna end up moving that sewing machine, and probably gonna do it like before I leave. But yeah, this is how this room is looking right here and here. Yeah, so I think this gonna need more lighting in here. But yeah, so it's looking a lot better than this morning. Yeah, so just need to put another nail on that little thing right there. But yeah, so this is a lot of cleaning that happened today, and this is just how it looks on this side. So this is how it looks on this side, and just kind of, you know, having more space now to put more material in there. So yeah, so this is a lot better, and I'm just kind of happy that everything is looking better, cleaner. And yeah, so I do have these smaller sewing machines, and I have the serger in here. So I was making a lot of underwear, so I'm just gonna do this and that. So yeah, so it's just getting, this is how the outside is looking, but this is how it's looking in here. But yeah, and I appreciate you guys for watching my videos, and just kind of, you know, if you can subscribe, I would appreciate it so much. You just can give thumbs up. And yeah, so it was a long day of organizing, just cleaning, but yeah, thank you so much for watching. This is Indira with Green Pear Leather Goods.